how experience, what is the value of experience or design in the overall business, we see that whenever any successful business comes into being, there are three key pillars. The first one being design, the second is the business itself, when we say that how we are doing it, that business, and lastly technology, which acts as an enabler for the business. So when we marry all of these three together, that is when we deliver a successful product or service which people will love and people will continue people to use, people will recommend forward, and people will have continuous love for that product, right? And that is what we saw in some of the responses today as well, that you use technologies like WhatsApp, or you use technologies like Ola or Uber or Swiggy or Amazon or Paytm or Zoom or some things like Telegram, Netflix, right? All of these, if you look at these services carefully, you will realize these are beautiful amalgamation of design, good business strategy, and lastly stellar technology, all put together to deliver a cumulative and immersive experience which creates value for you as an end user, right? You can also kind of consider, we can take a parallel from having a pav bhaji. And if we kind of look at, there are three key parameters when we are looking at eating a pav bhaji, right? So first is the ingredients, that what are the things that you're putting together with it. Then the recipe, which is the process with which you are building it. And lastly, you have the presentation, which is makes it more attractive, right? When you look at food, when you look at something like that, it's mouth watering, it's tempting. That is when then you want to go to a restaurant. Probably some of you said that you would like to go to Starbucks. That smell of coffee, the look and the presentation, the way Starbucks presents its coffee, the way the ambience is what probably pulls you to Starbucks.